Okay, so Blackbird starts on the 6th string 3rd fret. So G, just remember to try and keep your hand like not on the face of the guitar. Try and turn it over a little this way so your thumb sticks out a little more. Try and keep your hand out in front. So what we're doing here, two different picking patterns. You're going to hit 6 and 2 together and then 3. So your thumb and middle together and then index. Your ring is going to be on the 6th string 3rd fret. So the first picking pattern looks like this. Then you're going to move to the 2nd string 1st fret. Ideally, you'd use your middle finger in your left hand, but it doesn't really matter. I think most people go for this with your pointer finger. So 2nd string 1st fret. Here you're going to do the same picking, but 5 and 2, then 3. So you get the 5th string bass. And just remember, I'm thinking about how you're doing this. Try and keep that pulled back so that all this stuff stays straight in your hand. And then this little 10th shape. These notes that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 apart. That's 5th string 2nd fret and 2nd string 3rd fret. And you want to do the same picking. 5 and 2, then 3. So we just did this. You just slide that all the way up to 10 and 12. And here's where we have this other picking shape, which is 5 and 2 together, then 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. So you're in 5 and 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, and try not to pause in the middle. So it's going to go long, short, 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 long. You do that twice. The whole beginning part, when you put it together, it gives you that. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Okay, now we're going to take that shape, that 10th, it's 2 frets apart here, and move it down to the 3rd and 5th fret. Same short picking pattern. 5 and 2, then 3. So your pointer's on the 3rd fret, your pinky's on the 2nd fret. And 5 and 2, then 3. Now here's the flip. Take your pointer finger, move it down to the 1st string, put your middle finger up on the 5th string. So you're on 1st string 3rd fret and 5th string 4th fret with your middle finger. And here, because we're getting a note on the 1st string, we want to pluck the 1st string. So it's going to be 5 and 1, then 3. And whenever you do a flip, you flip it back. So we're going back in the 10th, 3rd fret, and 5th fret. Do the other short pattern. So we did this. And we're just going to move that up 2 frets. So you're going to be at 5 and 7 here. Hit the 5th string and the 2nd string, then the 3rd string. And flip again. Pointer goes down to the 1st string, middle finger comes up to the 5th string, pluck 5 and 1, then 3. So if that was confusing, those 2 little flips are just the same thing 2 times in a row, 2 frets apart. So you go like this, move it up 2 frets, and do the flip again. And then go back. Remember, every time you do a flip, you come back to a 10th. And this time the 10th is at the 7th fret and the 8th fret. So 7 and 8, and you're doing the long pattern. 5 and 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. So the pointer moves down to the 6th fret there, and you do a long pattern again. And these 2 fingers move down a fret. So you're on 5 and 7, do the short pattern. 5 and 2, then 3. Then you're going to move down 2 frets and flip it. So your pointer is on the 1st string 3rd fret, middle finger is on the 5th string 4th fret. You pluck 5 and 1, then 3. So that whole run up with the flips looks like this. And then we're at the 3rd and the 5th fret. Pointer's on the 5th string 3rd fret, pinky's on the 2nd string 5th fret, and we're doing a long pattern. 5 and 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Then scrunch up your pinky so it's on the 4th fret, so you're on the 3rd fret and the 4th fret, and do the long pattern. Then slide that whole thing down a fret, so you're on 2 and 3, and do the long pattern. Then slide it down again a fret, and this time lift up your pointer finger and do the long pattern. And then you go down another fret. It's probably easiest to do that with your pointer finger. And this time you hit the 4th string. Same picking pattern, but you're just doing the thumb on the 4th string. So 4 and 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. Then back to this first shape, 6th string 3rd fret, and same picking pattern, but your thumb is on the 6th string. So 6 and 2, 3, 2, 6, 2, 3. There's more, but not much. Once you get this, the rest of it will come real easily. That repeats when you start singing. Then we have the flips. first string, and the G. Just do all that again. There's a couple little odd variations he does, but that's probably 80% of the song, what we just did. And the other little 20% is more of the same, just like a different phrase. Is that cool?
Okay, cool.